Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the topic of trigonometry. In this particular video session, just we are going to discuss about the transformation formula of trigonometry. And you know the transformation formula is of two types. The first one is product to sum or difference, or the second one is sum or difference to product. So let us discuss about the first, product to sum or difference. Here we convert the product of two sines or cosines, or one sine and one cosine into the sum or difference of two sines or two cosines. So just let us discuss about, first of all, based upon the product to sum or difference. So here these are the five formulas you have to remember. The first formula is 2 sin A into cos B, and it is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. The second one is 2 cos A into sin B. So it is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. The third one is 2 cos A into cos B. It is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. The fourth one is minus 2 sin A into sin B. It is cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. The fifth one is 2 sin A into sin B. It is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So here these are the five formulas based upon the first rule, that is product to sum or difference. So first of all, let us prove these five formulas one by one. So here it is the proof of first formula, 2 sin A into cos B. It is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. And we have to prove it from the right hand side. We know that the formula for sin A plus B, it is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Then it is sin A minus B, and it is sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Adding both of these, we have sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. In the right hand side part, you can see that plus cos A into sin B minus cos A into sin B will be cancelled with each other. And you can see the rest of the parts are sin A cos B, and in the lower side it is again sin A into cos B. That means it will be 2 sin A into cos B. So here it is the proof of the first one, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. It is 2 sin A into cos B. Then the second one, 2 cos A into sin B. It is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Proof. Sin A plus B, it is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Then sin A minus B, it is sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Subtracting the second one from the first one, we have, first of all you have to change the sign here. Then it will be sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Look at the right side. Here it is plus sin A into cos B, and here it is minus sin A into cos B. So both of them are cancelled with each other, and the rest of the parts are, here it is cos A sin B, and on the other hand it is again plus cos A into sin B. That means it is 2 cos A into sin B. So here these are the proof of first two formulas. Then next moving towards the third formula. And here it is the third one. 2 cos A into cos B, it is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And here it is the proof. We have to go through the right hand side. First of all, you have to write down the cos A plus B formula, and then you have to write down the formula for cos A minus B, and then you have to add each other. So cos A plus B, it is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Then it is cos A minus B, it is cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Then adding each other, it will be cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. You can look at the right side, it is minus sin A into sin B, and here it is plus sin A into sin B. So cancelling both of the parts here, we have cos A into cos B, cos A into cos B. So it will be 2 cos A into cos B. And here it is the proof of third one. Then next move on towards the fourth one. Just next moving towards the proof of the fourth one. First of all, you have to write down cos A plus B formula. It is cos A plus B, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Then cos A minus B, it is cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Subtracting the second from the first one, we have, before that you have to change the sign here. So it will be cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Cancelling, it is plus cos A into cos B, it is minus cos A into cos B, so it will be cancelled with each other. Then it will be minus sin A sin B, minus sin A sin B, it will be minus 2 sin A into sin B. And here it is the proof of the fourth one. Then next, moving towards the fifth one and the last one. Here it is the fifth one. Two sin A into sin B, it is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. And here it is the proof. First of all, we have to write down the cos A minus B value. It is cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. And then we have to write down the cos A plus B value, and then we have to subtract. Cos A plus B, it is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Then subtracting, we have, it will be cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cancelling both of the parts of cos A into cos B with minus cos A and cos into cos B, we have, it is 2 sin A into sin B. And here it is the proof of fifth one. Then let us go through the some of the problems based upon this methods. So here it is the first problem based upon the method transformation formula of the type product to sum or difference. So it is in the form of 2 sin A into cos B. That means it will be sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and here A is equal to 5 theta and B is equal to 2 theta. So we can put the formula here, sin A plus B, that means 5 theta plus 2 theta plus sin A minus B, 5 theta minus 2 theta, it is sin 7 theta plus sin 3 theta. Then another problem, 2 cos 7 theta into cos 3 theta. It is of the type 2 cos A into cos B, and it will be cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. A is equal to 7 theta and B is 3 theta. So it will be cos 7 theta plus 3 theta plus cos 7 theta minus 3 theta. Then it will be cos 10 theta plus cos 4 theta. Then another problem, suppose it is given as sin 5 theta into cos 2 theta. It is not in the form of 2 sin A into cos B. First of all, you have to convert this into the form of 2 sin A into cos B by dividing a 2 and then multiplying a 2 here in this given problem. Now you can see that in the bracket it is 2 sin 5 theta into cos 2 theta, that means it is in the form of 2 sin A into cos B. In place of A it is 5 theta and in place of B it is 2 theta. Now we can put the formula 1 by 2 multiplied with sin 5 theta plus 2 theta plus sin 5 theta minus 2 theta. Then it will be 1 by 2, it is sin 7 theta plus sin 3 theta. And here it is the answer for the given problem. Now let us discuss about another problem. Problem number 4. 2 sin 75 degree into cos 15 degree. By putting the value of or formula of 2 sin A into cos B, we can have sin A plus B 75 degree plus 15 degree plus sin 75 degree minus 15 degree. Then it will be sin 90 degree plus sin 60 degree. Sin 90 it is 1, sin 60 it is root 3 by 2. So it will be 2 plus root 3 whole divided by 2, and here it is the answer for the given problem. Then now it is the time to discuss about the second type of transformation formula, that is sum or difference to the product formula, which is based upon the first type, because the second type formula can be evaluated from the first type formula. So here these are the 5 formulas based upon the second type of transformation formula, that is sum or difference to product, and these are the 5 formulas, and we have to evaluate these formulas, or we can say that we have to prove these 5 formulas by using the type 1 formulas. The 5 formulas, those we are in the type 1, and we have to use them, and then we have to prove these 5 formulas based upon the sum or difference to product. So let us prove these 5 formulas one by one. Before going to the proof of these formulas, first of all we have to assume here, let A plus B is equal to C, equation 1, A minus B is equal to D, equation 2, then equation 1 plus equation 2, it is a plus b is equal to c, a minus b is equal to d. Adding both of these equations, we have it is 2a is equal to c plus d. That implies a is equal to c plus d divided by 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2, it is a plus b is equal to c, a minus b is equal to d. Subtracting both of the equations, we have it is 2b is equal to c minus d. That implies b is equal to c minus d divided by 2. So from these assumptions, we have what we are getting here. We have considered a plus b is equal to c, then we have considered a minus b is equal to d. Then what we have get here, we got a is equal to c plus d by 2 and v is equal to c minus d by 2. So these four values are very much important before going to the proof of the formulas based upon sum or difference to the products. So here these are the four values, and now let us go to the first proof of the formula. First of all, we have to prove sin c plus sin d, it is 2 sin c plus d by 2 multiplied with sin c minus d by 2. We know that sin a plus b plus sin a minus b from the first type. We know that sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, it is 2 sin a into cos b. By putting these values here, we have sin c plus sin d, it is equal to 2 sin c plus, in place of a we have to put c plus d by 2, and in place of v we have to put c minus d by 2. And here it is a very simple proof of this formula, and here it has been proved. Then let us go through the second formula, and it is sin c minus sin d, it is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Here it is the proof. We know that sin a plus b minus sin a minus b, it is 2 cos a into sin b. By putting these four values here, we have sin c minus sin d, it is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. And here it is the proof of the second formula. Then let us go through the third, fourth and fifth. Here it is the third formula, cos c plus cos d, it is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. We know that cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a into cos b. Again, here in this step, we have to put these four values And now we get cos C plus cos D, it is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Then the fourth one, cos C minus cos D, it is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, or it is minus 2 sin, or it is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Here it is the important fourth formula. Proof. We know that cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, it is minus 2 sin A into sin B. Then again by putting these 4 values here, cos C minus cos D, it will be minus 2 sin. In place of A we have to put C plus D by 2. In place of V we have to put C minus D by 2. But we know that sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So here by considering this minus sign and this sin C minus D by 2 value, we can get 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Minus is getting multiplied with C minus D by 2 and resulting as D minus C by 2. And here it is the proof of the fourth one. Now let us go through the fifth one. The fifth one is cos D minus cos C, it is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. And here it is the proof. We know that cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, it is 2 sin A into sin B. By putting these 4 values for the last time in this fifth part, we have cos D minus cos C, it is 2 sin. In place of A we can put C plus D by 2. In place of B we can put C minus D by 2, and here it is the proof of the last one. Now let us discuss about some of the problems based upon this second type of transformation formula. So here it is the first problem, sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. It is based upon sin C plus sin D, which is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C plus sin D, it is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And in place of C, it is 4 theta. In place of D, it is 2 theta. So 2 sin 4 theta plus 2 theta divided by 2 into cos 4 theta minus 2 theta divided by 2. 2 sin 6 theta by 2 into cos 2 theta by 2. it is 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta, and here it is the answer for the given problem. Now let us discuss about some of the another problem and last problem based upon the second type. Suppose it is given cos 7 theta plus cos 3 theta. You can see that this is a problem based upon the formula cos C plus cos D, and it is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. In place of C it is 7 theta, in place of D it is 3 theta. 2 cos 7 theta plus 3 theta divided by 2 into cos 7 theta minus 3 theta divided by 2. So it will be 2 cos 10 theta divided by 2 into cos 4 theta divided by 2. So it will be 2 cos 5 theta into cos 2 theta. So here it is one of the problem based upon the second type of transformation formula. So in this particular video session, just we have discussed about the total basic brief analysis of transformation formula of the chapter trigonometry, and also we have solved some of the problems based upon the transformation formula. And here we learned that the transformation formula is of two types. The first one is product to sum or difference, and the second type is sum or difference to product, and the second type is evaluated from the first type. So in the next video session, just we are going to discuss about some of the theorems and important problems based upon the transformation formula. Till then, thank you.